Hi ma'am, what is your name?
Hi, my name is Nachiketa Misra. I'm Arab's mother.
Okay. So Arav has come a long way in chess. And
Yeah,
what are some changes you have noticed in Arav since they started learning chess at Outpace Academy?
2 years back, he was interested in chess, so
Okay.
we thought of giving him proper training so
Mhm.
that he can pursue his interest.
Right.
And we saw many changes. So my father is also used to play
Chess player,
chess.
okay.
So every time I go to hometown,
Mm-hmm.
Arav used to play with him.
Okay.
So every time I get the feedback that he is improving.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
His logics, what you call in chess term,
Okay.
I don't know, but his logics, his thinking ability is
Mm-hmm.
changing over the time,
Okay,
over
okay.
practice.
Ah,
So yeah, hearing I'm hearing from last 2 years, like he keeps on improving on this chess.
okay. Awesome. That's nice. So, what was the impact on his academic performance after learning? Is the grades improving like such?
Academic wise, he is very good actually.
Okay.
So yeah, like he is balancing out both the things.
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Okay, okay.
happy about it.
Wonderful. Do you feel the Arav has become more patient and more focused?
Yes,
Ye-
that's like than last year. He is
Mm-hmm.
more focused this
Okay.
year.
Uh-huh.
And previously he was little small. We need to push him, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
sit and practice. But
Okay.
now he himself sitting and doing all his tournaments by
Okay.
himself. And
Nice.
previously little bit uh, less, like if he lose then
Ah.
he don't want to play, but now
Okay.
he has that spirit. I have to play and I have to win. And
Okay.
with time I feel that changes has come to me.
Okay, that's nice. At Outpace Academy, we provide a lot more than just chess classes. Like we have dedicated coaches, personal mentor, coordinator, analytics team who reviews the games, and I think we have regular PTA meetings,
Yes.
and we provide report cards,
Yeah.
and we have exams also. So, how have these things supported Arav's growth in chess and like helped him involve with in the progress?
So I believe like how you will track your progress unless until there is a system.
Right.
So Outpace is providing that.
Mhm.
Like they have the certain parameters, and every time they will give us the feedback on that,
Mhm.
how my kid is performing. So I feel like they are helping us in that way. We are checking on that parameter scales. Like
Yeah, okay.
it helps us to understand like how our kid is growing, what are the sector my kid has to improve in. So yes.
Okay. So the whole ecosystem we have created with all these things helps
Yes.
you measure the metrics properly, I
Yes,
believe. Okay.
measuring the
Nice.
matrix parameters.
So in our report cards, we are not only analyzing the game. So we give an overall idea about your child's strengths and improvements areas and all. So how do you find the report card helpful?
So report card, it's helping us to guide like in which sector he is improving, like suppose start game, middle game and end game. And PTM are also conducting like your coordinator. So they are guiding us like your kid is doing this, he need help in which sector.
Yeah.
So my husband and me, we often ask like how to improve, and every time, like time to time, they will guide us. He need to go, he need to follow these steps,
Right.
and he need to recent PTM they told certain step you have to follow it, like before the puzzles.
Okay.
Before playing the puzzles, you need to write it down, then you play it. So
Okay,
every
okay.
time they help us how to improve.
Perfect. Nice. So, what do you think about the importance of having extracurricular activities in a child's life?
Yeah, so what I feel like our days only curriculum was there,
Yeah.
but now time is changing. So with time, kids are now super genius.
Right.
With academic, they are extracurricular also, they are doing good. And as my kid Arav is interested in chess, so we thought of exploring out, and I feel nowadays generation they have that potential to perform that thing. So
Right.
we feel we have to give them the guideline, the channel to grow them.
Awesome, perfect. So we believe the support of parents is very important in the journey of chess. So you've been very involved in this. So what kind of advice do you give to other parents about being involved in their chess journey of their child?
So I will strongly feel, don't force anybody. It should come from within.
Yeah. Right.
Don't force anybody. You need to mug up this. And chess is not that kind of game.
Yeah.
Let them enjoy. Let them explore. And we need to figure that out. Like our kid is, what are the things he is good at, what he likes the most, and we will give them the opportunities so that the kid can explore and bloom.
Yeah, that's nice. If you were to recommend Outpace Academy to some of your friends, what would be the key features that you would tell them about Outpace Academy?
About Outpace Academy, I'll tell they are very systematic, they are very organized, they will help you to grow. And they have, even sometimes I miss the design, but your team will keep on pushing me, ma'am.
Okay.
This is the date, you enroll for it.
Nice.
So that is a very good thing, what I feel.
Okay, thank you.
The initiative is coming from Outpace, as it's a very busy schedule. I might forget many a times, but your team helps me keep on reminding.
Awesome.
These are the deadlines. These are you have to enroll for it.
Nice.
So I really like that part, especially. And as you told, like time to time PTMs will be there to know about your child and progress. They will send you the progress report. It helps.
Awesome.
And I know apart from chess, there are many other activities also Outpace is conducting. So I'll definitely refer Outpace.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for trusting us, ma'am, and being a part of the Outpace journey for 2 years.
Thank you so
It's
much.
been a very good journey. And we hope to have you for many more years with
Yes,
us.
definitely.
Thank you so much for agreeing to do this also.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you.